University-level examinations are typically designed to assess a student's knowledge, understanding, and skills in a particular subject or course of study. These examinations are crucial in evaluating a student's academic progress and overall performance. Paul J. Hopkinson confirmed that it is being questioned if examinations genuinely prepare students for the difficulties they will face in the workplace. Universities have rightfully re-examined how they educate and what they teach in light of the fast-evolving workplace. This video presents some explained facts by Paul J. Hopkinson, the Dean of the College of Interdisciplinary Studies, Zayed University, United Arab Emirates. The National News published the opinion in this video on Tuesday, the 18th of July, 2023. Still, it is equally essential that we re-examine how we evaluate our students. Historically a necessary component of degree programs, exams can be a valuable tool for evaluating information retention. But are they an excellent approach to promote learning and foster the development of the transferable skills needed for today's and tomorrow's workplaces? Traditional exams have drawbacks that are widely known. Nevertheless, they continue to be a crucial component of many academic exams. In the worst-case scenario, pupils are stuck in a never-ending loop of memorizing knowledge before the examination, only to forget much afterwards. We are merely evaluating their memory retention skills. This evaluation contrasts sharply with the adaptability and flexibility necessary to succeed in the real world. What value is it if you can't use your knowledge in practical settings? Exams must effectively prepare pupils for the difficulties they encounter outside the classroom. According to Paul J. Hopkinson, examinations have been eliminated at Zayed University because they're not the most excellent approach to motivate and encourage learning or equip graduates for the demands of the modern industry. Instead, we need evaluation strategies that motivate students to actively engage in their classes throughout the academic year while continuously evaluating them. Students can stay motivated and invested in their learning process by encouraging a culture of continual evaluation for learning, instead of assessment of learning at the end of the semester. Regular assessment before, during, and after class in our courses encourages students to take ownership of their learning and allows tutors to give frequent feedback. Instead of depending on a last-minute end-of-semester cram session, this strategy encourages ongoing progress. Students are more likely to achieve deeper comprehension when they regularly engage purposefully with the course material. A student's development and talents are more accurately represented through continuous evaluation. It enables teachers to monitor student progress over time, identifying areas requiring more attention and adjusting lesson plans appropriately. Students demonstrate the capacity to apply concepts outside of the lecture hall by including real-world scenarios and practical applications of knowledge in exams. This allows students to prove that they have understood topics beyond rote memorization. The conventional emphasis on essays and memorization is becoming less successful due to the emergence of generative AI and technologies like ChatGPT. Students now have access to materials that make plagiarism simpler. One can only speculate about how these technologies could revolutionize the workplace. There needs to be a complete prohibition on their usage. Instead, we must revamp our evaluation to use these cutting-edge technologies the most. We may design tests that push students to think critically and demonstrate their learning by emphasizing problem-solving and practical applications. This lessens the harmful effects of AI-driven cheating while simultaneously preparing students for the difficulties they will face in the workplace, where the capacity to put information to use practically is highly appreciated. A well-designed plan to encourage student engagement is used in conjunction with an online learning platform as part of the new sorts of evaluation we are adopting. Our classrooms evaluate students using various interactive techniques, including polls, breakout sessions, and targeted exercises like idea mapping and discussions. This is done in addition to emphasizing group projects, which promote cooperation, and encouraging students to prepare more presentations they must deliver in class. The faculty may also track class participation using analytics thanks to our platform. If a student has not spoken for a while, the faculty will know exactly who to turn to for the next question. We are implementing partner challenges at Zayed University as another effective strategy. Through this program, students may collaborate closely with business mentors on projects that take place in the workplace and have well-defined goals. This is because non-academic voices also have a lot to teach pupils. Nearly 100 organizations, including Accenture, CNBC, Cisco, and the Department of Culture and Tourism, have cooperated with us effectively. These innovative evaluation methods provide a more individualized and comprehensive educational experience that promotes deeper learning. According to Martin Luther King Jr., education aims to educate students on thinking deeply and critically. Proper education aims for character as much as intelligence. It is pertinent to ask if traditional exams and a focus on periodic assessments are the best way or processes through which proper education is achievable. Proper education can be instilled only when colleges adopt a forward-thinking approach to evaluation, embracing the skills and abilities essential for success in today's dynamic and linked world. Because of this, a paradigm shift in our assessment methods is needed, moving away from traditional exams and summative learning and toward a student-centered strategy that promotes continuous learning and feedback while embracing novel ways that meet the needs of the digital era.